Great cormorant, due to their adaptability and willingness to migrate to more favorable habitats, they are found worldwide. Conservation status. Their global population stands at 2,100,000 and is on the rise, reflecting a stable species with a conservation status of least concern. Distribution. The great cormorant has an extremely large distribution, found on every continent except South America and Antarctica, inhabiting coastal areas, rivers, lakes and wetlands across Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and parts of North America, and adapting to both freshwater and marine environments. These carnivores can consume nearly half a kilogram of fish each day. Taxonomy. Class: birds. Order: 𝑐𝐀𝐍𝐈𝐌𝐀𝐋. Family: Phalacroceracidae. Genus: Phalacrocerax. Uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom at biodb.com. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe.